In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Intercom. Intercom is a customer messaging platform that helps you manage conversations, automate support, and reach out to users in a more organized way. I will walk you through the key areas you will use most often, so you can respond faster and keep everything easy to track. Start by clicking the inbox icon. This is where you will see active customer conversations in real time. Open a conversation to read the full thread, then reply directly from the message composer. Take a moment to scan the recent messages before you answer, since context matters and it helps you avoid repeating what the customer already shared. If you are working with a team, keep your responses clear and complete, so anyone reviewing the conversation later can follow what happened. Next, navigate to Fin AI. This area is designed to help Intercom automatically answer common questions. The important setup step here is syncing your help articles, because the AI needs a reliable knowledge source to respond accurately. Make sure your articles are up to date, written clearly, and organized in a way that matches how customers ask for help. Strong help content leads to better automated answers and fewer repetitive tickets. After that, click Automation, then click Workflows. Workflows let you build structured paths that route chats to the right team. This is how you ensure billing questions go to billing, technical issues go to support, and anything urgent is handled quickly. When you build these paths, keep routing rules simple at first, then refine them as you notice patterns in incoming conversations. Now go to Outbound, then Messages. This is where you send proactive updates to your users, such as product news, onboarding guidance, or email announcements. Focus each message on one clear point and keep the timing relevant, so users receive the right information when it is most useful. Finally, open Contacts. Here you can view user details and their previous interaction history. This history helps you personalize your replies and understand what the user has already experienced. Before responding to a complex issue, reviewing contacts can save time and prevent confusion. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.